This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. ATMO America. Americold deploys single-stage transcritical CO2 refrigeration at new 542-ton Canadian warehouse. By J.O. Haraldson. Published July 23, 2026. Cold storage warehouse operator Americold has deployed single-stage compressors in its new 542-ton, 1.9 megawatts, Transcritical CO2 warehouse in New Brunswick, Canada, according to Phillip Walker, general manager at TechnoRef4, the engineering firm that designed the system. Americold opted for a simple design given the mild Canadian climate, Walker noted in a presentation at Atmosphere America Summit 2026, adding that this marks the logistic provider's first foray into transcritical CO2 refrigeration. Giacomo Pisano, CO2 compressors. Business development manager at Doran, joined Walker at the conference to outline the operation of single-stage compressors. The event, organized by Atmosphere, publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, took place June 2nd to 3rd in Tarrytown, New York. The design uses semi-hermetic CO2 compressors to serve both low and medium temperature LT/MT loads, enabling flexible freezer storage between -19 and 25 degrees Fahrenheit, -28 and -4 degrees Celsius. The grand opening of the new warehouse took place on June 18th, according to Americold. In our dual temperature design with a split suction header, we removed the booster and all those controls, providing 18.2% CAPEX cost savings for the customer, Walker said, adding that the simplified single-stage layout also eases system commissioning and maintenance. The setup, located at Port St. John, the 140,000 square feet, 13,000 square meters. Warehouse includes a 35,000 square feet, 3,250 square meters. Loading dock maintained at 34 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius, and handles a throughput of roughly 3.5 million pounds, 1.6 million kilograms, of goods per hour, according to Walker. Two nominal 557 horsepower packs, manufactured by Canadian-based Septec, provide both MT and LT refrigeration, each delivering 271 tons of refrigeration, 950 kilowatts of capacity. Each pack includes 9 six-cylinder compressors. The design includes hot gas defrost for LT and MT operation, a heat recovery module with a glycol pumping skid, and adiabatic gas coolers for operation in ambient temperatures above 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius. The MT loading dock operates with a COP of 6.39, while the LT freezer operates with a COP of 3.27 during daytime active loading. However, when accounting for 5.502 million British thermal units per hour, 458 tons of refrigeration per 1.6 megawatts of reclaimed heat capacity, the site achieves a combined useful COP of 3.41. Up to the task, in cold climate applications, single-stage CO2 compressors can operate at evaporating temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit, -29 degrees Celsius, while withstanding transcritical pressures of up to 1,250 pounds per square inch, 80 bars, according to Pisano. In addition, the oil sump temperature remains pretty low at around 162 degrees Fahrenheit, 72 degrees Celsius, resulting in a residual viscosity of 16 centistrokes, which Pisano said indicates adequate lubrication despite high-pressure operation. The message is that single-stage compressors are capable of handling LT conditions, backed by a large safety margin, Pisano added. End user wanted. Although the CO2 system generates 5.502 million British thermal units per hour of heat recovery capacity, the warehouse only uses 0.7 million British thermal units per hour, 58.3 tons of refrigeration per 205 kilowatts, leaving 4.8 million British thermal units per hour, 398.1 tons of refrigeration per 1.4 megawatts, available for outside use. To maximize full heat reclaim, we are looking to deliver that heat to neighboring sectors either for district heating or process applications, Walker said. Quotable. In this kind of application, you don't need a booster, and you can do a single-stage suction group with way less complexity, Pisano said, adding that Doran's external discharge plenum keeps the compressor outlet temperature below 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 149 degrees Celsius.